TruConnect Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you need affordable mobile service in the US, TruConnect promises free or low-cost plans, but is it right for you? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming all mobile plans require a credit check or long-term contract. TruConnect offers government-supported lifeline plans and low-cost options without credit checks, making connectivity easier for those who need it most. Another advantage is flexibility. Users can select data and voice packages based on usage and budget. The app lets you monitor usage, pay bills, and manage your account from your phone, which is ideal for students, seniors, or anyone seeking simple, reliable service. Coverage is decent, as TruConnect partners with major US carriers to provide nationwide service. This ensures stable connections for calls, texts, and basic data needs, even in rural areas. However, there are cons. Some users report slower data speeds compared to premium carriers, especially for heavy streaming or gaming. Customer support can be slow during high-demand periods, and some features are limited depending on your plan. In conclusion, TruConnect is a practical solution for affordable, flexible mobile service in the US. The surprising truth is that while it may not compete with top-tier carriers in speed, it fulfills essential connectivity needs at a fraction of the cost. For anyone seeking low-cost or government-supported mobile service, TruConnect delivers accessibility, simplicity, and nationwide coverage, but heavy users should carefully consider plan limitations.